23 million US dollars in chicken neck and back is what we import to Jamaica annually. 13 million US dollars in beef offals. That's like the liver and the kidney. Beef trimmings is 16 million US. And then rice is 84 million US dollars. And so you might be asking, Lisa, why do we import so much US dollars worth of animal and rice? Well, it's simply because Jamaicans cannot afford to buy chicken, beef, or fish to feed their families. So they must resort to the parts of the animals, the cuts and the trimmings. Now, here's a disclaimer. I'm not in the PMP shadow cabinet, so what I'm about to say may not contend with their views. But this is something I've been speaking and writing about for years. In other words, the pot a boil, but the food not enough of the family them were out there. And I would like you to think for yourself and re-examine the data of some long-held beliefs of what others have tried to impose on you, saying that this is supposed to be in your best interest. Today, I want to highlight one of those beliefs and say why our people, as a result, remain unhealthy with obesity, high blood pressure, and other primary health ailments. It's because they can't afford to buy a balanced food basket. And for the non-vegetarians, this is because the price of chicken meat is out of their reach. I'm not going to any other meats today. You see, for decades, Jamaica has had a 250% duty protection on chicken meat. Globally, in other countries, the average import duty rate on chicken is 24%. So why are we...
The people, Lisa Anna, that is the person that just spoke a while ago and talk about the millions Jamaica is spending to import garbage food for us to eat. No, 23 million US dollar. You know the amount of chicken that can be raised in Jamaica and allow people in Jamaica to get proper chicken to eat. Instead of we name chicken back and chicken neck and chicken all these parts where some people don't want it in their country, so them export it to us. Is this the Jamaica that we have grown to love? You tell me now, we cannot have the good, solid chicken breast, chicken leg. Yeah? We can't have the chicken thighs. We can't have that. We have name chicken back and chicken neck. The part of chicken with them no want name. People of Jamaica, come on, man. Again, this don't have nothing to do with politics. It has to do with, and I hope this is not just the party that is in power, the government that is in power now, are the ones only doing this. Because chicken back I come to Jamaica from me, a little pitney from me born comes to chicken back. So let's not get political about this, because I know a lot of you are going to run in the comments and try to be political. But viewers and subscribers, we have lived in a country that we have evolved. And you want to tell me that you are taking so much millions of dollars that you could have invest in small farmers, invest in people in our country to raise chicken so we can have proper chicken to eat, so we can feed we kids them chicken breast and chicken leg and chicken thigh and chicken wing. But no, we have to chop up chicken back and chicken neck and curry it and brown stew and feed the people them. We are not the worst. We are not the worst Jamaicans. We are not the worst. Why we have faced this? Why we have to get the spoils with them no want? Why we have to get the part of the meat with them no want in them country? Why is it being exported to our country? Why are we importing these things? Why are we importing these things? We're better than that. We've evolved. We must eat chicken back because we feel like we want to eat chicken back. It shouldn't be a daily meal anymore in Jamaica. It shouldn't be a problem where people in Jamaica can afford fish and beef and chicken. We do our own fishing in Jamaica. We have our own cow farm them in Jamaica. We can't have our own chicken farm them in Jamaica if we let the people of Jamaica eat properly. This disturbed me because you're spending millions of US dollars to import the part of the meat that the other countries don't want, to feed us when we can raise our own chickens, raise our own cows and our goats? Huh? If a fresh fish, let's build a fresh fish plant so Jamaicans can eat fish too. We are no worse. Enough is enough, Jamaicans. Stand up. And again, this is not political. So I'm not talking about the party that is in power now. I am talking this has been something that's been going on for decades. So we're gonna sit and eat chicken back all the days of our lives. And all the people then we go can eat fish, can afford to eat fish, can afford to eat beef, afford to eat mutton, afford to eat oxtail and all these things. Now companies are going to chat. All Jamaicans are equal. None is more than the next. So we all should be able to eat properly. We all should be able to can eat a chicken breast or a chicken leg or a chicken thigh. We all should be able, if we can, eat two fish, fried two fish, steamed two fish, brown stew two fish. Yeah, man, we all should be able, if we can, get a part of the steak or the cow and eat some steak too. We're not the worst. This bothers me that the government of Jamaica been purchasing this type of meat for these kind, and that is not even meat. That is not even meat. Crops. Yeah, purchase a carry in our country and give it to eat after we have worked so hard. Eh? We should be eating these things because we chose to, not because we cannot afford the good types or the good ones. It's shocking. It's shocking. Millions could be invested in our country. In our country. Where we can raise chicken. We can raise our own chicken and sell it at a price that anybody can afford to buy chicken. We can. Make the youth them eat good food, man. It's ridiculous that we are importing these things to our country. It's ridiculous. We have to stand for something or stand for nothing. We have evolved, people of Jamaica. We have evolved. A time to stop eat these kind of things where they might import, where we don't know what kind of chemicals, we don't know what kind of fertilizer, we don't know what is in these kind of meat where they must send to it. But we buy and feed it to our nation. We are a better nation now. Let's do better. Yeah, man. Read it out. Viewers and subscribers, let me hear what you think in the comment. Yeah.